Hey, what is up everybody? Shitaji Shetty Light here, back with another light tutorial, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how you can add animated text to your iMovie videos. So I haven't gotten my video yet, so I'm just gonna record it right here. Okay, so hey guys. So here's how you can add animated text to your video. Animated text like this, and this. So that's how you can do that in this tutorial. If I've got that audio video clip right here. So here's how you can add animated text to your video. Animated text like this. So I'm just gonna mark all these times I've shown my hand. There's no animated text when I'm recording. I have to add the text there, so I'm just gonna mark. You can mark this by clicking on M on your keyboard. M and M. Okay, I've got the three marks. One on the right, one on the left, one at top. So you can add text from here, stock text, but I don't prefer these texts because they're pretty old, so I'm just gonna go to Keynote, open a new document. Keynote gives you a variety of fonts and animations to your text. That's why I prefer Keynote for all these texts and shapes and other objects. So I'm gonna type text like this, increase it to about this much. Fact. You don't need to do as I tell you to do. You can play with the text as however you want, but I prefer it this way. Just gonna drag it to the right. Guess that's there. Now I'm just gonna change the background of this slide to green while doing this. Then I can play. So light that. Advanced gradient fill. Okay, I like that color. Medium is fine too. Phosphate and advanced. Okay, like that. Text like this. I'm just gonna copy the slide, paste it, take this text, keep it here, remove text, like this, copy, paste once again, and this. Okay, I'm just gonna increase the size to fact. And drag. So I'm just gonna go again to phosphate and advanced gradient fill. I can even add shapes here, but I don't like shapes. I mean, I like shapes, but I don't think I have to add a shape here. So if you want to add a shape, click on shape and select whatever shape you want. You can just go iMac. I've got an iMac. Command X, Command V, paste it right there. Okay, so I've got an iMac for some weird reason. I don't know why, but whatever, I have an iMac. Now I can animate these text. Twirl. Okay, I'm gonna add twirl for this. Then I'm gonna, like this, I'm gonna add a draw. No. This. Compress. and this drop. Okay, so then I'm gonna have to screen record this keynote presentation by pressing Shift Command and 5. Okay, Shift Command 5. But I'm already recording the screen, so not a big deal for me. Okay, I've recorded these three things, and now we have to go back to iMovie. I'm here in iMovie. I'm just gonna drag this video clip right here. No audio from that clip. So I'm just gonna mark everything. What happened was that clip accidentally got deleted the last time. So I've marked everything. Now I wanna split the clip after each text. Each piece of text, after each piece of text, I wanna split the clip. Split the clip by pressing Command B. I'm gonna mark all the places where the text appears by pressing M, and then keep these marked places with the other marked places, as you can see right there. So after I've done that, I'm gonna click there, click on this green screen, and go to green screen from that side two window looking icon. Now I'm gonna play the clip, and it's gonna look something like this. So you can't hear me talking, but you can look at the visuals. And that's how you can add animated text to your video using iMovie. Thanks for watching this light tutorial. If you like this light tutorial, like this video, and for more light tutorials, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.